Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name is Krista and I'm really happy you're here with me today. Today is December the 15th, which means we need to open box number 15 of our Advent calendar. So there's been a lot of really fun things that we've opened up so far, and I can't wait to see what's in today's box. So just sitting here looking, and as I look down, right here, I can see there's numbers on both sides of the box. So let's move this out of the way. And again, we have some sort of a, like a a skyscraper. Get my words right here. So let's go ahead and open this. Come on, open up. This one's very skinny. All right, so this one contains 2 pencil crayons. There's no markings on them at all. Not to say there's no color, no names for the color, no brand, just crayons, pencil crayons. So I have a black here and almost like a royal purple. Let's see if I can get you to see them a little closer. Again, they will be nice additions to my craft room. We can add them in with the rest of the markers and pens and felts and crayons and stuff that we've been getting. So very nice. I think that this box for the Advent calendar, again, it's just over there, 24 Days of Advent Calendar Joy. It's definitely designed for someone who does a lot of art, as far as crayons and felts and markers and pens and what else is over there, like different acrylic markers and stuff. So a lot of drawing, kind of mixed media. I think that they're very nice, absolutely, and again, they'll make a nice addition into the stash that we already have. So thank you again for joining me today on this short and sweet little video, and I can't wait to see you on the next one tomorrow. Thank you. Bye now. Happy crafting.